picture I made. Clouds, tornado, storm chasers, camera. Do you like my picture? Yes or no? First, raise your hand if you think you like my picture.
On your pockets, please, so that everyone gets a chance. I'll hold it up.
And here's some true or false questions. 1. Tornadoes form on the ground. True or false? First, raise your hand if you think true. And now raise your hand if you think false. False. Tornadoes yes. Heavy storm clouds. You may want to hold it in because I'm going to have to put it on the crown.
Okay, I'll hold it. Should I widen it this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
2. All tornadoes strike land. True or false? Raise your hand if you think true. And down. Now raise your hand if you think false. And false again. Yes! Tornadoes usually strike land, but some never. Oh my God. So, last question. 3. Tornadoes can pull up trees. True or false? First, raise your hand if you think true. Me too, because I had a tree being pulled up by not even a tornado. And it was our biggest tree. So I think true too. Raise your hand if you think false. The center. A tornado's strong winds can pull up trains, cars, trucks, and buses. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Even people. Yes, they can.
You can. Easily. And here comes some fun facts. Number 1. There are about 800 tornadoes in the U.S., which is U for United and S for state, each year. And 2. Tornadoes are also called twisters. Tornadoes winds blow faster than any other winds on Earth.